Russian recon units in Zhuravka on the Russian border were destroyed inside their hiding place. Ukrainian airstrikes on Russian positions in the border town of Zhuravka, Sumy region. Just 3 days ago, propagandist Sladkov was promising another assault on Vuhledar. He said that they were about to go to the rear of the city's garrison. We see the result of the attack on the picture. Notorious Vuhledar. There is fighting. The enemy in active defense. The Vuhledar direction is one of 10 active on the SMO front. And we are pressing, but a breakthrough from the front is not yet possible. Actually, why? A blow to the Ukrainians in the back, or rather from the rear, is brewing there. For this we need to advance the front from, and we are doing a lot for this. And then, the encirclement, or the flight of the Ukrainian Armed Forces group from Vuhledar. We see how our T-80BFM tank hits the enemy with direct fire. He jumps up and clears the forest belt in which the Ukrainian Armed Forces positions are located. The tank is new, gas turbine, manufactured a year ago in Omsk, intended for use at night and under active enemy fire, reinforced armor, standard protective screens. Look, they're on fire! The second one, come on! This is how the AFU's Peaky Blinders unit hunts Russian infantry and equipment in Kharkiv region.
Прям в них, Віталік, оце да! Оце жирно, прям вообще поряд. Глянь, от вони горять. Давай, другий, влазь! Хочеться якомога краще виконати свою роботу, бо ліквідований ворог – це врятовані життя наших хлопців. І від цієї роботи багато чого залежить. Тому, звісно, такий, знаєте, от якийсь мандраж, адреналін, він, звісно, присутній.
Запись.
Some Russian units are surrounded in Vovchansk. Second Guard Spetsnaz operator receives drone-dropped medical supplies near the high-rise quarters, presumably having taken casualties after being surrounded. And also in Vovchansk, Russian soldiers changed into civilian uniforms, which is prohibited by the Geneva Conventions. Injuring Russian soldiers with the help of FPV kamikaze. Myrhorod airbase. Not the first time that Russian recon drones have been able to quietly observe before striking with an Iskander cluster missile. It appears that at least one Ukrainian Su-27 has been destroyed, while several others are also believed to have been damaged. Air Force official Yuri Ignat commented on the Russian missile attack on the airfield in Myrhorod. It is a war, and unfortunately not without losses of equipment. I am talking about the enemy attack on Myrhorod airfield. There was an attack. There are some losses, but not the ones the enemy is claiming, he writes. In Russia, sewage fountain in Barnaul turned into a sewage pool that swallowed a whole car. A literal shithole country. On Russian state TV, presenter Yulia Vityazeva calls for the complete destruction of Ukraine and depriving the Ukrainian nation of a state. Russian propaganda is now no different from the propaganda of the Nazis. They said the same thing about Czechoslovakia and Poland in 1939.
Да, повторяюсь еще раз, никакой эмпатии к Украине я не испытываю. Когда кто-то начинает рассказывать о том, каким будет устройство Украины после нашей победы, хочу сказать, никаким. Вот Украина, как государство в нынешнем ее виде, должна перестать существовать целиком и полностью. Да, что-то мы себе возьмем, не знаю что. Ну, в любом случае больше, чем сейчас. Да, возьмем в губернии, а дальше решать. А дальше решать, что делать. Серая зона, буферная зона. Неважно. Но никакой государственности там быть не должно.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.